pull up in a Lexus. Who want to check out when I pull up in that X6? Before they check out my money.
Sorry? All the way down?
Yes,
And you can direct me? Oh, to come out and coffee.
If you're the Russian who was with her, who'll I leash well? I fled the scene, but your bitches want to sequel. And I seek well for my niggas like they in a drought.
That's right. Niggas
put a cape on in the booth. I'm being the villain now.
I understand, but except we're going to pick another one entirely.
But I'm still a grouch. And I know the word is Grinch, but I me get my mouth.
Thank
Seen you rap about your fantasies, I live them out. The flow's a tidal wave, I bring them in and kick them out. I switch it up for Ruben said I need a different crowd. Who want to check out when I pull up in a
What's the regular kettle? I'm not going to be able to leave this thing by myself. No, first of all, let me get rid of the old one. Handle and then even the buttons there. I guess they didn't have the pack of 30, so they gave me a pack of 24 and a pack of 6. Then one bigger yam for 6,000. Potatoes, sweet potatoes. I remember how much. I think this was 12,000 something. I'm not sure. And then Milo. Breakfast for champions. Then I got. Hold on. I got time and parsley. This time is looking kind of dead sharp, but usually it's. I got bulky also. Very tiny.